Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the Magnaflow open house, some hot cars, good food, SOS catering. Let's get into today's video. Stars of the show. Good morning.
Stars. Good morning. Good.
What'd you drive out here?
Mustang.
Ah, see, there you go. See, no more Civics. See,
no more Civics.
How did it feel to have some ponies
Oh,
under
dude,
there?
it's fast and it's squirrely. It's fast,
right?
And it's squirrely.
No, dude. One time, like, I drove it thinking like, you know, like a regular car, and I got on it and I almost like
Crowd control.
Dude, like,
It's squirrely.
it's like really, if you're not prepared for, like, I didn't even think connect to until let me just. Oh shit! I was like, I had to like literally brake on the car as hard as I could, and I was like, holy shit! That's why it happened.
Probably every Mustang's fear, right?
Yeah, nobody thinks about it until it happens.
All right, guys. So they have an open house. We're gonna give you a quick little tour of inside their facility. It's awesome. So let's go check it out. Little off-road action here. Me and Oscar have been talking about maybe getting one of these. You know, maybe Magnaflow. Hey, let us go test drive it. See if we like them. But yeah, these are awesome for the desert. You want to take the family out. They're pretty much all set up, suspension, everything. So I like that. We got some goodies here. Got some nice ones. They have to have some nice cars here in the showroom. So. And it's cool to see, like, obviously with Magnaflow, it's all shapes and sizes for cars. So you know, you got new cars, old cars, everything that goes along with it. You know, they gotta go. They got Mustang under here. So what's up guys, it's me, G from SOS. We're over here, out here at the Magnaflow show and trying to see some cars. So guys, you see what we have right here. I don't even know what we have right here. Let's come find out. You know, super game. But what else we gotta do? I don't know. I don't know what else to say in this video. You wanna see something weird? Come on. Let's swap in FRS, my boy. That's not even it. Come on, next one. 2J Z. Yeah. This is what you're supposed to do. This is what you guys are supposed to do when you guys have these cars. We got this beautiful BMW right here. It's my homie's car. Shout out to my homeboy. This beautiful M3 right here. Oh my God, aired out too. For the feet. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you don't know the shop, most likely you do. We done this one right here. My boy Alex, shout out. Put the wing on. You know what it does. Shout out to me. G, put the fenders. Custom work. All about done by SOS Custom. We out here.
We got Mustang.
Another one.
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 Mustang.
How many Mustangs are here at this show?
Abraham's Mustang.
Shout out to Abraham. Abraham! At the shop, you know, Type Bar. You know what the f is, you know what the oh, can't cut. Oh my shit, can't cut some of this. Seeing some beautiful, beautiful cars right now. A lot of beautiful cars. A lot of Mustangs, huh, Alex? A lot of Mustangs. Too much. I've been seeing too much Mustangs. I wanted to scope this. Shelby. Oh my goodness. This is a beautiful car, man.
We did
I did that.
he did the bumper. I didn't touch this car at all. Shout out to Alex.
got
Boy,
the wing?
the man. Man of the day right here. Man of the year.
Daddy's girl.
Right there. Right there.
Daddy's girl.
Daddy's girl right there. You daddy's girl?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Naughty, naughty.
We got Felipe on there.
Say what's up to the vlog, man.
I know.
Skatering.
To my super guys, look at this beautiful thing right here. We got a super right-hand drive, beautiful black. Come on, Alex, come on. Follow me, guys. I got a question. Everybody pick the black or the white? Comment on our channel and say your opinion. It really matters. You guys know what car this is? Because I don't. Feet. My favorite movie, hands down, is Back to the Future. That's the DeLorean. Marty, gigawatt.
Watch this.
Beautiful. Right here, ladies and gentlemen.
Cleanest car in the show. Cleanest car in the show. It even goes down there.
These are all the regular cars. Cars that didn't make the line, make the shoot, make the fit.
Danny's car.
We did another car, another beautiful car we did. Another C8, another project your man right here did. Beautiful thing. Wheels are different, still gorgeous. Took the top off, of course.